Hi, my name is Shannon Ziegler and I'm a Norwex independent sales consultant. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to clean your windows using only the Norwex EnviroCloth and a window cloth. Just water, no chemicals or sprays. I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's some natural dirt here that I left just for this video. But on the right side, I'm also adding some butter onto the window. That you can really tell that the EnviroCloth cleans the windows and shines them up nice. First, I'm going to use the wet EnviroCloth to remove the dirt from the surface. We'll do this left side first. Get up here too. And then we'll use the dry window cloth. I've been using it a lot, so it's slightly dry. And remove the water, and also giving it a nice streak-free shine. It's hard to get around these. I'll have to take them out sometime. And then we'll do the side with the butter so you can see the same thing. Now normally, if you're using a paper towel with a window spray, it would just smear the butter around. However, the EnviroCloth actually removes the residue from the surface instead of just smearing it. And then same thing, we use the dry window cloth to polish up the window. And here you can see the window is clean and it's got a nice streak-free shine to it. Much better than using chemicals on the surface.